tell you about preheating. What is preheating? Preheating is simply heating your oven prior to placing in your dough or batter, whatever that you're making. That is it. That is what preheating is about, but it does not end there. How do you preheat? You preheat by turning on your oven and you use the temperature that is mentioned in whatever recipe that you're using or following. So if suppose a recipe of mine says bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. So what do? First, you preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. That 10 to 15 minutes is enough time for your oven to heat up, since we're baking at home. For home baking, this is ideal, 10 to 15 minutes. But if you have like one of those huge ovens, it's going to take a bit longer to bring it up to the temperature mentioned. So you preheat it for 10 to 15 minutes and then you place in whatever you're baking. And if the recipe says 30 minutes, you bake it for 30 minutes after preheating it for 15 minutes, like the oven. First you preheat your oven, then you place whatever you're baking inside, then you bake it for the amount of time mentioned in the recipe. Next, why do we preheat? Well, whenever we're baking, we're using leavenings. Leavenings are raising agents like baking powder, baking soda, yeast. All of these add lift to cakes or cookies or breads or these things that you're baking, and these things react to heat. And because they react to heat, it is essential that you place your batter or dough into a preheated oven, so you are not messing up the reaction process. It's also going to aid the reaction process. You will get your cakes fluffier, your breads will rise properly, your cookies will have won't bake unevenly. All of these kind of do depend to an extent on preheating. So earlier when I was a kid, okay, story time again. When I was a kid, I used to think, I was like 10, 11 years old, and I would think, preheating. Why would I want to waste all of that electricity? I mean, I was that kid. Like, yeah, I'm proud of my kids self that it's thought about, like, she thought about, electricity and all of that. But over the years, I read up about why preheating is so important. Then I was like, oh, that explains why my bakes would turn out a little weird, or if you might even think that a recipe is faulty because say you're baking a cake and it took you 40 minutes, right? It took you 40 minutes, but the recipe said 20 minutes. Why did it take you 20 minutes extra to for your cake to be done baking? Well, that is because you did not preheat, so you added to the baking time. So this is another factor why you need to preheat. If you don't preheat, you are going to prolong the baking time. And say you place your bake in a cold oven, the first 10-15 minutes will go into heating up the oven, and then it will start heating up whatever it is that you're baking. So even if you're baking, say, veggies or meats or any of these that do not use baking powder, soda, yeast and all of that, you still need to preheat because it's going to cook faster, and it's going and you are not placing your bakes into a cold oven. So the moment a lot of recipes can be temperature sensitive, like breads. So if you're baking breads or macarons or all of these things, they are temperature sensitive, they are heat sensitive. The moment they are placed into the oven, they need to be met with a certain degree of heat. It is essential for that recipe to work that way. So these are just things that I obviously nod out over, and I'm always just dying to share all of these things with if I have an audience, then I'm just like very happy to talk about all of these things. When I'm talking about baking, or if someone messages me about something related to baking, everything ends with don't forget to preheat. So now I'll just tell you that after watching this video, I hope you never forget to preheat, and I hope you understand the importance of preheating your oven. Also guys, I I started my own YouTube channel, yay! So please do like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon because I'm going to come up with a lot of these videos, just nerding out over these small little things that you might not be aware about regarding baking, but they can actually aid you in your baking journey. So support your girl and stay safe, stay home. Bye.